Hello there, what's up? How are we doing today? There are several skills you need to have as a business person for you to be successful. Now, these skills, they do vary depending on the kind of organization you intend to start, the kind of business you want to run. Is it small or a large scale business? However, there are certain skills you need to have irrespective of the kind of organization you intend to run. Now, this is why I'm making this video, just to show you these key skills you need as a business person, as a startup business person. You need these skills for you to be successful. Now, before I show you these skills, I'll encourage you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and smash the like button. And just a quick reminder, I make 2 videos every week. On Tuesday, I talk about investing, like investing your money, your profits, whatever income you have. I talk about that, give you investment tips in crypto and in stock. And Thursday, I talk about business like this. I release videos on business, give you business tips, and try to see how we can help people grow their businesses and grow their income. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'll just give you the key skills you need to succeed as a business person. So the first skills you need to succeed as a business person is sales. You need to learn how to sell.
Tell me this fucking pen right here. You can sell anything, sell that. Go ahead. Tell me that pen.
Like, if you don't know how to sell, how will you get people to buy your idea? How will you get people to buy your product? How will you get people to buy the invention that you've just made, like the next big thing you've just made? You need to learn how to sell. It's important for you to know how to sell. If you see, most organizations invest heavily in this particular skill, especially the large organization. They look for salespeople that will sell their product. For example, Coca-Cola. We all know Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a big brand, yet they have salespeople pushing out this brand because they do understand that they need this product to get to the final consumer. They need people to actually sell this product to people, despite the fact that they have that name already. They've been in existence for years. So sales skill is really important. Like when I started my business with over 10 years experience in sales. Like I've done different forms of sales. I've done door-to-door sales, I've done retail sales, I've done charity sales, I've done event sales, I've done sales over the phone. Like all forms of sales I've actually done. So I brought that together and it's helping my business succeed. So if you don't know how to sell, you need to learn how to sell. Either you look for a course and start learning how to sell, or you look for a job that will train you how to sell so you can take that experience and put it into your business for you to be successful. So that's one skill you need. You need to learn how to sell. Now, the second skill you need is marketing. You need to learn how to market. You see, I know this skill is something you can outsource or get someone to actually come on board and help you do. But the reason you need this skill as a starter is because it helps you save money, and you are the only one that knows your product. You're the only one that knows how to position your product in the minds of people when it starts. There's so many people helping people do marketing, and at the end of the day, they find out that they're wasting money because it's not bringing return. This is because your new product is not positioned properly, and you are the only one that understands how to position this product. So you need to have this marketing skill and learn how to position your product. How do you want to drive your marketing? How do you want to drive your product? That is the first thing you should start thinking about. Now, you can decide to go traditionally, where you have flyers, or you design your car, you talk about your product, create awareness for the people around your neighborhood, for them to see when you distribute a flyer. That's you doing the traditional way. Or alternatively, you could decide to go online, set up a Facebook page, do online ad, create a website and everything. You just need to learn the skill on how to market. Most businesses do this. Like Coca-Cola, like I said the last time, I was talking about sales. Now I'm even talking about marketing. You still see the ad. They still sponsor football tournaments, sporting events, and the whole lot. They're a big brand selling, but they understand the importance of marketing. That's why they are there. Same thing with the McDonald's. You go to every town, there's McDonald's, and yet they're still doing art, trying to like drive sales, trying to drive people into McDonald's. So it's important for you to understand marketing. Like I have a marketing background. I have a BSc in marketing. I have a certification, a postgraduate diploma in digital marketing as well. And I'm using this experience that I've got, bringing them together into my business, and it's been helping me optimizing my website for SEO and getting people to actually come, using Google My Business, using Facebook to attract people, Facebook Marketplace, using Messenger to discuss with people to close deals. That's what I'm using right now. So you need to learn this skill yourself because it will actually help your business to survive. Now, the last skill I'll be talking to you about for you to be successful is for you to have a customer service skill. You need to have a good customer relationship with your customer, either you after sale or whatever form of customer service. You need to understand your customer. You need to speak to your customer. The good thing about having a good customer service is that at the end of the day, it gives you repeat business, it gives you referral, and it feels exciting when people call you up and tell you that the previous customer you served actually referred them to yourself. So that is one thing you need. You need to have a good customer relationship. How do you build that? Like for my business, when I go take up my stuff, like when I go set up, I discuss with the people, where do you want this? What do you want? How do you want me to set up? Like I discuss with them, I relate with them and they understand where I'm coming from. After the event, when I go back to take my stuff, I ask them, how is the event? How was it? How was my setup? Did the people like it? Was there any issue? If there's an issue, okay, I can fix this. I've actually refunded money to people due to COVID. Like they just tell me, while some people are like, no, I can't refund money. I'll be like, oh, COVID, yeah, fine, take this. This is what you've given me. Like this is the relationship. And as soon as I send that back, it connects to them. And when they have their next event, I'll be the one they'll call. Like that's it. So you need to have this good customer relationship with people. Look at big businesses. They spend so much money to get people to actually speak to their customers because they understand that people do have problems. People do have issues with their product and will want to report back. So they will always ring back and find out, oh, what's the story? So you need people, they need people there to speak to customers and have good customer service with them. And if you don't have good customer service and you're working in that position, you get sacked. So that's the way it is. So you need good customer service. You need the way you need to approach people matters a lot. So that's the 3 key things you need to be successful for your startup. You need these 3. I know there are other skills, like I said at the beginning. I know you can talk about management, planning, negotiation skills. Those are like later skills when you are now established. But from the beginning, these 3 skills is really essential for you to actually succeed. So that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, I'll encourage you, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and smash the like button. Thank you, and do have yourself a wonderful day.